A bit more placid.
She is more brave
Yeah.
than brother.
They're so tiny still. Well done. Oh, what a good girl you are.
Yeah, really gorgeous little kittens.
Playful.
Yeah, they're just getting to that age now where they're starting to jump up most things.
Yeah.
Be the
Curtains,
curtain soon, won't it? You know?
Many bad things they make.
Having a job training one of them for the toilet though.
Oh, really? They're not wanting to do it naturally?
They're all good, but the little loving the boy won't go in the toilet.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a bit of a problem.
she
It's
is
a real pain.
shaky.
Oh,
I keep showing him, telling him no, putting him in the toilet.
not getting it.
Not yet. No. Brain dead.
Why you tell like this? It is not true. Maybe it is not he who made this. You even don't know. Such shaky boy.
Shaking, isn't it?
Because
Oh,
cold,
shaky is.
cold temperature in cabinet always.
They're both looking well.
Mm-hmm.
Check your tummy. And then check your belly. Oh, good girl. I know. Right, let's do some vaccines then.
With girl much easier than with this boy.
Yeah,
He's
she's really
a
good, isn't
strong,
she?
yes, very strong boy.
Oh, well done.
Are you watching?
Do you want to do the little girl? Yeah, of course. There you go. Is that okay?
We'll tell you afterwards.
This is my 5th year of uni, if that makes you feel better.
She's very good, don't worry.
Because I start worrying.
Oh, do you want me to do it? Would you prefer it?
No.
She's very good.
If she's good, okay, I trust you.
Meanwhile, the lady looks up. What are we waiting for? Come on, get it over with.
Such thin skin.
They do, don't they? Well done. See? Easy peasy. She's a good girl.
Good girl.
And a good boy.
She is more brave, absolutely.
She is, yeah.
Hey, you're a good boy.
Okay, so these are your